Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Wendie. I make home and lifestyle videos. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos if you haven't done so. So in today's video, we'll be doing a fridge organization, basically like a fridge clean out, and reorganizing all the items in my fridge. So I recently just did grocery shopping, and whenever I do grocery shopping like that, I like to clean out my fridge and take out maybe if there are any expired items or items that are bad. Just sort out whatever it is that's in the fridge and then do a rearrangement. So basically, as you can see right now, I'm just emptying out what I currently have in the fridge, and I'm also checking for the date as well, if there's anything that has expired or that needs to be discarded. So after emptying the fridge, this is me just wiping down the fridge, cleaning out any debts or whatever stains that might be in it before restocking it or putting in new items. So now I'm organizing all my items and putting them in the bins. So I like to use these clear bins, storage bins in the fridge, so that way I'm able to arrange things according to categories, and I like to arrange my fridge according to categories. So at first I'll just start by putting them in bins, and thereafter you'd see me arrange them in the fridge. I was trying to use the little egg crate there, but I realized that this time around I had more eggs, so I'm just using a regular clear bin. So as you can see here, I'm putting most of my dairy products on the second layer, majorly my cheese, yogurt, mayonnaise, margarine, and I like to put my leftover foods in the upper section. For some reason, I feel like that's the coldest part of the fridge. I don't know if it's true, but that's just the idea I have in my head. So I put all my leftover foods at the upper part of the fridge so that it can be closer to wherever the cold is coming out from. I also have my eggs as well stored at the upper parts as well. And another thing is I like to use clear plates, clear bowls for my leftover food so that I can see whatever I have in it, and then that way I know what I have in my fridge and I can use it all up. And for the bottom section, as you can see, I'm putting my fruits and my veggies. So I took out the old fruit that I have in there before and then arranging the new ones to be the lower ones, and then I'm putting the older ones up so that way we can use those ones first. And yeah, that's my daily meats. I've got my bacon, I've got sausages, I've got I think turkey slice, ham slices, just meat slices that we use for sandwiches, that I use for my kids' sandwich lunchbox. So all those ones too, they go in the same bin. And I placed that one at the upper part as well too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video gives you that motivation to do that cleaning or that organization that you've been procrastinating for a very long time. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.